Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 a day with Mesh by Amazon. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. I can say $100 a day because as you can see today we are on November 15th and I already made $1,500 for this month. So this is $100 a day. And how you're gonna do that is to find products that have a BSR between 100,000 and 200,000 BSR. One of the ways to do that is to go to Mesh Informer. Mesh Informer is this powerful keyword graphic design product research tool that everyone already knows. And if you don't know yet, and they are currently running their huge Black Friday deal where you can have access to Mesh Informer Pro level at only $49.99 for 6 months. Plus, if you are using the coupon below, you can get an extra 20% off. This is the equivalent of only $6.66 per month. So definitely a good deal. Use the link below to grab Mesh Informer. Once you log in, you're gonna go to the BSR range and you're gonna under minimum 100,000, maximum 200,000. This is the only thing you're gonna change. But you can of course go ask for more product. Let's say 500 product for example, and you're gonna click on search. When you click on the search, you're gonna have a bunch of products that we're gonna review. I can see here that we have this Thanksgiving. We're gonna avoid that because it's certainly already too late for Thanksgiving. But what I can see here is a basketball design with a Christian basketball. So this is very good. And as you can see here, we have 245 ratings. So meaning that Christian and basketball is a good thing to get into. Once you find a niche like that, what you're gonna do, still in Mesh Informer, you're gonna go to, on the top right here, you click on your name and you're gonna go to Mesh Designer. Yes, because once you have access to Mesh Informer for the research tool, you also have access to the designer, okay? And you're gonna design product like this one. Once you are on the designer, you're gonna select the product. You can change the product here, select whatever you want, but let's go with this t-shirt. Okay, you're gonna select the color of the t-shirt that you would like to design. Let's stay on black because as we can see here on this research tool, this one was on black with a basketball and a quote. This quote here is saying, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me," which is a Bible verse. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a design with a basketball but with another verse. And how to find Bible verses? Easiest thing is to go to Google and just type in, you're gonna type in most popular Bible verses. And let's check, for example, this one, 100 most popular Bible verses. So all you have here are Bible verses that you can use. Okay, I have this one here that I find good. They will soar on wings like eagle. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a design that will say, "I will soar on wings like eagles." And another one, "I will run and not grow weary." Another one, "I will walk and not be faint." Okay, so let's go to our designer. Let's find a graphic. For the graphic, we're gonna go to Creative Fabrica and you're gonna type in basketball. As you can see, you have multiple basketball design here, but I would like only half of a basketball. Okay, as you can see, I have a few design here. Do I have half of a design? Yes, I have this one. So in this one, as you can see, we have a basketball. We have half of a basketball. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna download this bundle and you're gonna take only this part of the basketball. Once you do that, you're gonna go to Mesh Informer. You're gonna click on the image. You're gonna upload your image that I already did here. I have my basketball, and now my quote was, "They will soar on wings like eagles." But what I'm gonna do, as I mentioned, I'm gonna go to the text here. I'm gonna select a bold font, for example, Anton. I'm gonna change the font color white. I'm gonna just paste the full quote here, but I'm gonna duplicate. And as I said, I'm gonna start with the I, and you're gonna create your design like the one I have here. As you can see, "I will soar on wings like eagles." Okay, I'm gonna just move a bit this one up. And to fill up the blanks here on the design, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a few basketball graphic. Okay, and to do that again, you just have to go to Creative Fabrica and you're gonna upload the graphics. Okay, so for example, this one I can put it here. Let me zoom a bit to see. Yeah, kind of like it. And I have a second one that I'm gonna put maybe right here. Okay, let me just put it a little smaller, a bit smaller again. Okay, so, and I'm gonna, as I said, arrange a bit here because this one was, yeah, okay. So just like that, in a few minutes, I was able to create a design with a basketball, a coat, everything with Mesh Informer and Creative Fabrica. What do you think, guys? The next step is gonna be to rinse and repeat. You find another coat, you use the code to create another design. You can create multiple like design like this one, and you upload all of them to Mesh by Amazon with the proper keyword and description. But this is a topic for another video. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe and activate the notification bell for any further video. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.